everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a Natalie Attired classic collection for you. Stay tuned. I have a Natalie Attired box for you. So let me tell you a little bit about Natalie Attired. So once you open the box, you're gonna get this little envelope that you put everything you do not want in this envelope and send it back. I think it's mail, US postage mail. So we have a little, in the front there, little sticker. You're going to get how to send stuff back, an explanation, and then you're going to get the price list and the names of the items. So let's get started checking it out. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Y'all, let me know what you think about my new, what do you call it? My new filming area. I mean, I've always been in this room, but this little corner table, I love it. That's all I can say. I love it. We're just gonna look through them. Then when I try them on, we will find the name brand and the price. Okay, this one's cute. This is like a little, this is a little tank type. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is a tank top. What beautiful colors does that have in it? It looks like it's got some turquoise and maybe a little purpley, some yellows and greens, at least to me it does. So a little tie-dye shirt. That one is really cute too, and it does look like it'll be plenty long. So I like my shirts really long. Lately I'm not too fond of the back end, okay? So this is a white shirt. On the front of the white shirt, it says thankful and blessed. Oh my God, look at this. That is me every day. Thankful and blessed. So both of the shirts so far are really super cute. Oh, this be perfect for the beach. Look at this. So it's yellow with palm leaves. It's got blues and I don't know, pinks and darker pinks. It's a V-neck. Oh, and it's stretchy. Okay. Loving this box already too. And so Natalie Attired, you pay your $20 for your styling fee. That also, your $20 comes off of anything that you purchase from the box. They curate 5 products for you when you're doing the classic. There isn't a limited edition where you pay, I think it's like $67 or $70 and then $10 for shipping, and they make you a full outfit out. So I've considered that, but I prefer just to do the classic because a lot of times I just need the shirts. Pants or shorts are impossible to find for me. So like I said, all you do is go in there, sign up. You have to do a profile. They ask for measurements. It's okay. You give them your measurements because you know not every size 4 fits like the next size 4. So if they look at your measurements, they can tell, do you need a 4, 2, or 6? Do you know what I'm saying? So that's the first 3. I see something yellow. Okay, let's see. So this is a yellow top and it says, oh, it says, I need more weekends. That's me. You see, they really, and see, I asked them for the same kind of box that I asked Stitch Fix for, and they listened. They listened to me. So And the last shirt in here says, just keep rolling. Look at the pink and stuff on the front, that's cute. Okay, so super cute shirts. When I try those shirts on, I will go ahead and probably style them with either my pull-on jeans or, I don't know, a pair of shorts or something. And then I will go over the brand and the pricing, okay? Then we will come back here for a recap. See you in a bit. Hey everyone, so I am done the try on for Natalie Attired. Let's go ahead and begin. First, I'm going to tell you, I need the handy dandy glasses. Not just old, just plain and old. So I'm going to tell you my picks, which were the 5 items, were $181 even. So if you purchase 3 or 4 out of the 5 pieces, they give you a 20% discount. If you keep the whole box, which is 5 items, it is a 30% discount. So I have some hard choices. I do like a few items. It will not be a full box that I keep on this, but there is a piece or 2 that I really like. So let's go ahead and start with it. Okay, so I put my glasses on so I can see something, right? I can't see very much, even with them on, but it does help to bring out the colors and brighten things up a little bit. So with Natalie Attired, they send you an invoice on a regular white piece of paper. There's no pictures and there's nowhere to get pictures, so I get the items correctly to what I'm telling you. So it does have tags on it, so I did figure out this is a Kika rounded neck. It is a tank top. You see the neck up there. It's very pretty. It's got some the armholes actually did fit me, and then it kind of goes down. It's kind of like a slim tank top, so kind of like a junior. That's what I'm thinking. It's more like a junior tank top. It fit me, but it was very snug to my curves, and I don't want that snug to my curves, right? So this one was $39. Okay. This next item is the F, and it says SRT SLV round neck graphic tee for $32. And that's in a size medium. The first one, it doesn't really give me a size. It just says -2. So maybe that's a medium. And then this one was a medium. So this one was a little tight on me also. I'm more into the larger size for tank tops or tops right now because like I've told you all, I have some new medications that I am taking, and they are making me gain weight and especially retain a lot of water. So this little t-shirt is cute. It's a light blue. It says keep on rolling, and it's just like a regular t-shirt. It does have some stretch in the t-shirt, and it has some pink and white graphics on the front. Let me see if I get this in there so you can see what it says. So that one was also very cute. That was $32. Okay, let's look at the next item. Okay, this one is the V-neck. It says V-neck round neck graphic tee, and it was $34. So this one is the one, it's a medium also. This is the one that I really liked best out of this box. It is very much the beach, especially like Hawaii type. It's got the palm leaves on it. It's got a nice bright yellow color. Look how pretty that is. And then it's got the leaves being green with some pinks, some blues. It's really pretty. I tried it on with like an olive green short, and it's just really pretty. It has a V-neck, and then right in the front, I don't know if I can show you this, but right after the V-neck, there's a little flap right here that looks like it could be like an opened area, but it's not opened. It's sewed together. It's really cute though. I like the way it lays. So this was a medium. And I really, really like that one. That's my favorite. So that one and this one are my favorite. They're all my favorite, right? Okay. This one says thankful and blessed, which is totally me. I'm very thankful for life and I'm totally blessed for everything I have. So here is what the graphics say. I don't know if it's a white or an off-white. It kind of looks more of an off-white color. Maybe for fall. It looks like it's a regular hem in the, I don't think it's a high-low. Let me look. No, I don't think it's a high-low, but it's very stretchy. And it's just regular around there. I really like the feel of that shirt on. That one was nice. Let me tell you how much that one was. This is the one that was $38. Okay. And then this is $39. So this is a beautiful mustard color for fall. And it says weekend on it, which is me. I always say it's me. Every graphic tee I show you, I know. So these are my 5 pieces. So I showed you the last 3, and those are the 3 that I actually like. So for the 3 pieces that I like is $111. So it'll be $88.80 for the 3. So I don't know yet. I don't know if I want to get 3 of them or just the one I really, really love. So not sure. So if you're interested in Natalie Attired, I have a link down below. I think you get, you might get your first styling free, or it's like a $20 or $25 credit. And then I think I will actually get credit also with you. So if you're interested, just go down below. I have all my links down there, so you'll know what I open and the referral links that I have for you guys. So it was an interesting box. They actually listened to me though. I asked for graphic tees and I asked for shorts. No, I didn't ask for any shorts. I just asked for graphic tees and things to wear to the beach, and they listened to me. I really appreciate that, because sometimes some of these subscription boxes don't listen. They don't reread your stuff or go any deeper into, you know, what you like, what you don't like, and look what you bought in the future. So I will make my decision and put it down in the comments. You guys tell me which ones you liked. You know, I'm having issues right now trying on any clothing because nothing fits. I am, say my normal weight that I've been staying at, I'm about 25 pounds higher than my normal weight. And so that I have gained over the last couple of months that quickly with this kind of medication. So hopefully we're leveling off, and me exercising again and walking again will help me to take some of the weight off. But you know, the problem is the pain. And so I've got to get that under control no matter what it takes. So ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the comments what your favorite is. And just to let you know, I am at 94 subscribers right now. 100 is my first goal. And so at 100 subscribers, I have a giveaway. I will do a giveaway video. You will need to be subscribed to my channel, and you will need to comment what I ask you to comment below in the description on that video, not this video. So we'll get more information on that, but it's a big giveaway. It's a lot of items. It has makeup, skincare, accessories, jewelry, lifestyle. It has lots of things in it. So I think it's going to be a great giveaway. Right now, it is only eligible for the United States subscribers. This is my first giveaway ever. So I will use one of those, what do they call that? Trying to think of the name. Hold on. It's the picker thing. You put all your information in it and it picks it randomly so that I'm not picking somebody's name. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put everybody's name into that random picker and it will pick the person who gets it. You will have a week after I pick your name to claim your prize. So if not, we will go back in and put in another picker. But when I do the video, I'm gonna show you everything that I have and everything that is going into this box. So I'm glad that is almost here. I'm very excited. I didn't think I'd get to 100 subscribers until like next December. So I'm halfway through. I think I'm doing pretty good. I'm really happy about that. So I enjoy what I do. If you are subscribed, thank you for coming back. I appreciate that you watch my videos and comment and enjoy them. And if you are not a subscriber, welcome to my channel. My channel has travel, it has makeup, it has skincare, beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of exercise. I was hula hooping on this week's blog or vlog. Check it out. I'll put it above here. Somebody needs to hula hoop with me. So there's lots of things in my channel. Also, I am legally blind, so I may do things differently than you do things, but I would love for you to come hang out, see what I'm up to, see what I do, see how I do it, and just have fun. This is a fun channel. So once again, thank you all for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.